well. As you know, today's video is all about, yes, it's a wedding guest makeup tutorial. And so wedding season is almost here, and if you are a wedding guest in this year, in this COVID situation, then you must be the luckiest one, because I haven't attended a single wedding in this year. और आप बोल सकते हैं कि इस साल मेरे कोई भी फ्रेंड्स या रिलेटिव्स ने शादी नहीं की. सो यस, that's also the reason. If you are invited, then take some precautions and go there and do this makeup as a wedding guest makeup look. So in this video I'm gonna show you a wedding guest makeup tutorial. This makeup is not specially for anyone. Everyone can do this. If you are a beginner or an intermediate or a pro, of course everyone can do this makeup. It's really simple, and I have used one eyeshadow palette to create this look, and it looks pretty good. If you are interested in this look, then do watch this video. And last में मिलते हैं वीडियो खत्म होने के, मेरा मेकअप खत्म होने के बाद. Let's get jump in the video. Firstly, I'm gonna do my brow. For this, I'm using my Nykaa Brow Sugar Wow Brow Pencil in the shade Coving Cocoa, and with the help of this spoolie side, I'm kind of making it downwards to fill the brow gaps. It makes easier. आपको brow fill करने में बहुत easy होता है. And again, I'm setting it with my spoolie side. अब मैं अपने brow के नीचे का area fill करूँगी. And again, I'm setting it. Look at the difference. You can see the technique which I'm doing here, or the same process मैं next side भी follow करूँगी. For foundation, I'm using these two shades. One is from Maybelline and other is from Wet n Wild. This shade is perfect to my skin, and the other one is little lighter to my skin. I'm using these two shades in equal quantity and mix it. A quick disclaimer: before applying makeup, I moisturize my skin really well, and ये step बहुत important है for that flawless glow. Now dotting it with my finger, and now taking my wet beauty blender and blending it. Before applying makeup, prepping your skin. आपके स्किन को प्रेप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज ये आपके स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज तो करता ही है, बट इट मेक्स योर फाउंडेशन ब्लेंड्स रियली वेल. एंड इट्स अ प्रोसेस, टेक योर टाइम. अब मेरे ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर में जो भी एक्सेस फाउंडेशन होगा उसे मैं अपने आईलिड्स पे यूज़ करूँगी. एंड टू मेक माई ब्राउज लुक मोर डिफाइंड, आई एम कंसीलिंग माई ब्राउ एरिया विथ Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium and spreading it with my concealer brush. For the products I'm using in this video, I'll put their link in the description box, so do check that out. Concealing make your brows look more defined, और ये तो शादी का सीज़न है, so why not make your brows look more defined. Now blending my concealer. Look at the difference. अब मैं सेम टेक्निक एंड प्रोसेस अपने दूसरे ब्राउ में भी यूज़ करूँगी. I'm also concealing my eyes as well to make my eyeshadow look pop, and blending it with my beauty blender. Now for setting my concealer, I'm using this banana baking powder by Makeup Revolution, and apply it on my eyelids and under eye area, or where I feel like creasing. So setting your face makes makeup long lasting. Now I'm taking this Nykaa के eyeshadow palette in Sugar Plum, and taking that pink color on my blending brush and apply it on my crease. मैं इसे अपनी क्रीज पे हल्के हाथों से अप्लाई करूँगी in a circular motion. Eyeshadow makes your eyes look more bigger, and I am repeating this process जब तक मुझे मेरी required blending नहीं मिल जाती. Now I'm taking that darker shade in this palette and taking this on my small blending brush and apply it on the outer side of my crease and blend it towards my inner corner. I make sure that I am not applied it on my eyelids, in the middle of my eyelids. With the combination of two eyeshadows, it makes your eyeshadow looks much better, and it also gives you the illusion of bigger eyes as well. Now taking both that color on my flat shaded brush and apply it on the outer side of my lower lash line. This process is really important. If you apply any eyeshadow, do this process as well. Taking that pink glittery eyeshadow and apply it on the middle of my crease and blend it properly. Now taking that same eyeshadow and apply it on an inner corner of my lower lash line. टेकिंग माई लैक्मे इंस्टा लाइनर एंड मैं आज ज़्यादा ब्रॉड नहीं करूँगी अपने लाइनर को. आई विल मेक इट सिंपल एंड मीडियम लाइनर अप्लाई करूँगी बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू मेक इट विंग लाइनर बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैं विंग लाइनर पे ही जाती हूँ, बट आज मैं सिंपल लाइनर यूज़ करूँगी. I will apply same technique on my second eye back camera. Now I'm curling up my lashes with Vega eyelash curler. For mascara I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara and apply it properly. So I make sure that I apply mascara twice. मीन्स मैं डबल कोट करती हूँ जिससे कि मेरे लैशेस थोड़े थिकर लगे. अब मैं इसे अपने लोअर लैश में भी अप्लाई करूँगी जिससे कि मुझे काजल इफेक्ट मिले विदाउट अप्लाइंग एनी काजल. Now I'm done with my eyes. Now it's for face time. Taking that Nykaa Molten Matte Betty 18. So basically it's a lip and cheek color and I'm dotting it on my cheeks and blending it with my fingers. It gives me that natural blush look. I'm avoiding powder blush because it's winter and I don't want my skin to look dry. Now here comes my favorite part, highlighting. I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold and taking this on my highlighting brush and apply it on my cheekbones, my brow bones, tip of my nose, my cupids, chin and forehead. Now I'm feeling like a golden girl. Taking that same highlighter and apply it on the corner of my eyes. It makes my eyes look more beautiful. Look at the difference after applying highlighter. Now I'm taking the same lip shade and apply it on my lips. So today I'm going with my nude lip color because my outfit is in darker color. Now it's time for adding jewelry to our outfit and voila, I'm ready. I hope this video will helpful for you. So do comment if you are attending or attend any wedding this year because मैंने attend नहीं किया है and I would love to read all your comments. So if you like this video then press the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. I post every Thursday about makeup, fashion, skincare and DIYs. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon जिससे कि आपको मेरी videos miss ना करनी पड़ी. So bye bye. See you on the next video.